Dear children, today we will discuss the things which you will use or you will see in your bathrooms. Yes, do you know? Yeah, bathroom. Bathroom also you will use the things. Yes, what are the things? General things which you know. Yeah, especially first you get up in the morning and what you will do? Yes, toothbrush, toothpaste. Then after the brushing, what you will use? Towel. Yes, the towel you will be using. Then you want to go and bath. What you will use? A soap. Yes, the soap you will be using that one. And mainly water. Water bucket. You will take the bucket, fill the water and have the bath. Yes. After the bathing, what you will use? You'll have the towel. Some people have the bathtub also at their home. They will sit in the bathtub and have the bath. Yes. Next, a washing machine, where the washing machine is used to keep the clothes and it will clean. It will wash, no? Yes, it will wash the clothes. Then you will have bathroom slippers. Bathroom slippers, yes. A toilet paper and after the head bath, I will take my hair and I'll have the hair dryer also. What is the use of a hair dryer? It will dry your hair so that your hair will be not wet. Yes, some people use the razors also. Then a special thing for the hair, shampoo. Yes, the shampoo. You'll use the shampoo, varieties of shampoo, which gives a nice smell. Yes. Next, what we'll have? Cotton buds. After bathing, you will come and you'll have in the ear. You will keep the cotton bud like this, no? Yes, that thing also will be there. Next, what? Especially you have a soap liquid also. What is a soap liquid? Whenever you want to go and wash your hand, there you will use the soap liquid. Yes. And you will have a hairbrush, normal brushes which you will be using for your hair also. And what are the things still remaining? The things once you remind there, when you are going and washing the hands, wash basin. Yes, wash basin also used, where you will go and wash your hands. Yes, these are some of the things. Shall we remind once again? Toothpaste, brush, soap, towel, washing machine, wash machine, liquid soap, and a bucket, tap, then toilet paper, and a bathtub, and a sponge or a liquid which we'll use for the soap liquid. Yes. Cotton buds which you keep in the ear and you'll clean the ears. Then the shampoos, and you will keep the clothes, no, which are after using that, and keep it in the basket. What is a basket? That is a laundry basket. So these are some of the things which you will use in your bathroom. Yes, if you know the more things, you can learn them and you can identify them. So I hope you understand and you come to know so many things with this video which are used in the bathroom. Hope you like this one. Bye children.